Let's see how the trampoline cistern is going. Well, it is full. Let's see if I can get a better shot here. Here we go. All the way full. The far end over here is down a little because of the way I constructed it. So it's overflowing at this point, which is good. I may lose a few inches, but it's a DIY tank. Go see my other videos how I made it. It's about 3 cents a gallon, and I have about 3,000 gallons in this thing, ready for all my gardening needs. And I put some of this just to keep the mosquitoes and the animals and the sunlight out of the edges along the springs. I didn't have a spring mat for this used trampoline.